3 things you need to know before investing on stocks market. Hi, everyone. In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 things you need to know before investing in the stock market. If you're thinking about investing your money, then you need to watch this video. I'll be sharing with you some insider tips and tricks that will help you make the most of your investment. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. The first thing you should realize is that you must employ a broker to invest in the stock market. Banks typically provide broker services for their customers, but we must warn you about one thing. Frequently, they are extremely expensive, and this will substantially reduce the profitability of your money. You should also ensure that the broker you work with is a regulated entity to avoid problems and ensure that you may always access your money. Secondly, it is vital that you practice on a simulator before you start trading crazy to test your trading abilities without any risk, so that you may start trading on a real account once you are pleased with your results. Furthermore, you must begin learning now so that your results improve day after day, resulting in improved skills that will lead to better outcomes. And thirdly, it is very important that before you start to trade like crazy, you first practice on a simulator to evaluate your trading skills without any risk, and the moment the results start to look good, you can start to trade on a real account. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for my future video.